are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Happy New Year. Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show. Today we're doing an easy appetizer. It's called BLT bites. Very few ingredients. You could whip this up before company comes over, probably an hour before they come over. So come on close. I'll show you how we're making it. Okay guys, the main event is obviously the pork belly. Okay, so you got pork belly. Seasoning doesn't matter, it's to your liking. Okay, you could swap out the seasoning. I got the recipe down below. I'm using onion butter and holy garlic. You can use SPG. You can use Kinder's red garlic. Use whatever you love. All right. So we got the pork belly, our seasoning, some butter that we're also going to coat the pork belly before seasoning, cherry tomatoes, and any kind of, you can do iceberg lettuce, you can do butter lettuce, and then obviously your hors d'oeuvres steaks. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is cut up everything that we need. We have cubed up all the pork belly. This is what bacon comes from. This is thick cut bacon, basically. We melted the butter. We're just going to pour it right in there. Then we got the onion butter. Take the holy garlic. All right, so we laid it out. A lot of the seasoning stayed in the bag, so we reapplied more seasoning on top. We will probably not use the bag system next time, but I want to warn you, just season it a little in the bag, a little bit on top. You're good to go. We're going to air fry this. This is an eyeball thing. Some of you like it really crispy. Some of you don't like it crispy. I'm going to roast it till it's like crispy on the tips. So we're air frying at 400. I'll tell you the time length I did. You can go less or more, either way. But let's air fry this. Then we can throw it all together. Okay, guys. First tomato, I'm envisioning it's got to be face up with the meat exposed, kind of like sandwich-like. So let me see if I can puncture it without squishing it. Yep, perfect. I'm going to slide that on first. Okay. Then we're going to take a piece of lettuce, put that on, take a piece of meat. I'm going to do it a long way. Stick that on. Hold on. There we go. Okay. And then we'll take lettuce again. And if it's too big or bulky, bunch it up and pinch it like that so it stays together. Then you can take your tomato to finish it off like that. Okay. So basically it's going to be BLT. Perfect for the big game. Perfect for company coming over. The holidays are already over, but we're still playing games with people and inviting them over and all that. This is the perfect appetizer. A little something healthy, good for January. It's always been a health food month. And so let's give it a try and see if it's any good. All right, to make this better, I haven't even tried it yet. To make it better, take your favorite barbecue sauce, spicy ranch dressing, sriracha mayo, put it in a squeeze bottle, and drizzle it on top so that you just grab one and eat. And it should taste flawless. Let's try it. I'm sure it's going to taste. I like all the parts. So together, they're even better. So let me slide this down. Hold on. Here we go. You know, it's been a year since lettuce and tomato has entered his mouth. A whole year. It definitely needs something. Some sort of sauce drizzled on top. Very little. The flavor's good. I haven't had BLTs until now for years. But this appetizer is a home run. Have fun with this recipe. Make it your way. Season it your way. And I'll see you in the next episode. I love you. Bye.